liquid lipstick starts to feel very dry and crusty on the lips during the day, try applying the liquid lipstick very lightly in the middle of the lip, and then you blend it with either your finger or a brush. So I'm gonna put just a teensy bit here, and then I take my finger like this, and then you get like a very thin layer, and this will not feel as uncomfortable on the lips. It actually feels like you wouldn't have anything on the lips.
No. No, 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 no. Exactly.